Guys, crazy news today in the crypto space. We have some important news for every SHIBA coin holder here. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button. My name is Dylan here, Space Cadet Crypto, and I bring you all things in cryptocurrency news and price actions. But without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, 24-hour price has dropped 38.49%, and we're going to get into exactly why that happened and what we can see Shiba Inu doing here in the next couple of days to weeks here. So remember, hit that like button and subscribe button if you want to stay updated to the channel and all the news for Shiba Inu. But let's jump into the news for Shiba Inu that just came out literally an hour ago here. Okay, so let's just jump right into this huge headline here. It says Vitalik's regift of unsolicited Doge knockoff sends meme coin prices plunging. So as you know before here for Shiba Inu holders that you know that 50%, a little bit over 50% of the Shiba Inu coin circulation supply was sent to Vitalik's personal or public wallet here, where a lot of other meme coins have sent most of their circulating supply to him as well into this public wallet. And we have the records. We'll go over that in just a minute here. But it says here the Ethereum creator has turned a meme coin marketing stunt on its head, because since it's a public wallet, anybody can send him any kind of cryptocurrency, and the developers of Shiba Inu sent him around 50%, a little bit more than 50%, 50.5%, to be quote unquote burned, but it was still made available here in his public wallet, which he has access to here. And this is here that he did actually donate that, to a portion of it, to the India COVID relief fund. But we'll go over that in just a second here. But it says here, Vitalik Buterin has told dog-themed meme coin creators to bark up another tree. In a moment that captivated the attention of crypto Twitter on Wednesday, Ethereum founder regifted tokens sent to his public wallet by the creators of Shiba Inu coin, the SHIB, Doge, and Doge Elon, Akita Inu, MW Doge, our SHIB blockchain records show. Notably, Buterin donated 50 trillion SHIB tokens worth a nominal 1.2 billion at the press time to the India COVID relief fund, kicked off by Polygon founder Sandeep Nailwal last month. He also sent about $431 million worth of Akita to Gitcoin, a public Ethereum-based fundraising platform, according to Etherscan. And Etherscan, if you don't know, it's where a public access where you can see all the transactions for public wallets like Vitalik here. And we're going to get over that in just a second here. But it says meme coin creators have been sending large amounts of their tokens to the Ethereum figurehead in recent days, like that marketing tactic here. So Crypto Slate reported Monday Vitalik was sent trillions of SHIB tokens worth over 8 billion at one point when SHIB coin was peaking out a couple of days ago from that Binance listing. Meme coin mania has called Ethereum gas fees to surge to staggering highs, perhaps animating the network's founder to strike back. SHIB is roughly down 38% since Buterin started unloading, but still boasts a market cap of $9 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. The coin still has more than $7 billion in volume over the last 24 hours. And we have also here Sandeep, who is the founder of the India COVID Relief Fund, tweeting out here, says, thanks Vitalik Buterin. One thing that we have learned from Ethereum and Vitalik Buterin is importance of community. We will not do anything which hurts any community, especially the retail community involved with the SHIB community. We will act responsibly. Please do not worry, SHIB holders. So this is a little light at the end of the tunnel for anybody holding SHIB here. It says here that they will not do anything that hurts the community, especially with the retail community involved with the SHIB army here, as they say. But this is groundbreaking news here. That's why we saw such a massive dump here. We're going to get into the charts in just a second, but we do see that Vitalik has regifted and donated most of the cryptocurrency that was sent to him from these meme coins, like it says here, what was listed: Doge Elon, SHIB, Akita, MW Doge, and our SHIB. So that is the news, the headline news for today of why this dump happened in the crypto space here. But we also saw a surge in Ethereum gas fees too, which is another side of this coin, which caused a lot of transaction fees to skyrocket for anybody that has been trying to buy SHIB coin. They have noticed that there's been, for maybe if they want to buy $100 worth of SHIB, there was an $80 charge for a fee. So this is insane. There is a huge amount of volume happening on the Ethereum blockchain because of these transaction fees for all these meme coins like Doge, Elon, and SHIB. So we saw a huge move in those transaction fees for those that are wondering, Okay, so we're back here on the Binance listing for Shiba Inu, and once they underneath the risk warning, it says here, please note at the time of writing, the top 1, 2, and 5 wallets hold 50.5%, 7%, and 3% of the total supply respectively. So let's click on that 1%, remember that's Vitalik's public wallet here. So we do see here, VB is Vitalik's personal wallet or public wallet, and we do see here that 420 69,000, and also we have here the billions here and trillions sent to Vitalik from the Shiba Inu token that we see here. And we also see recently the age that was around 3 hours ago from Vitalik that he did send out here. All this is an inflow of Shiba Inu token to the public wallet, and here the outflow is to the India COVID crypto relief fund. So this is their public wallet. Let's look at that. And we can see that there was an inflow from VB here for a quantity of around 50 trillion SHIBA tokens. So 50 trillion, 693 billion, 552 million tokens. So that is a huge amount of tokens here. At the time of that donation, it was worth around $1.5 billion to this India COVID crypto relief fund. So that shows the exact date here around 3 hours ago when this transfer happened. But he has also sent other coins, other meme coins that were sent to his public wallet as well to this. So that's the reason why this flash crash happened, because of this donation right here. But let's also look into the charts and see what can we expect from SHIBA coin in the near future. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts here. At the time of this recording, Shiba Inu is worth 0.000019. The all-time high was back up here at 0.00039, almost 0.00040. And let's take a look at that drop. Let's measure that move here from breaking out of this symmetrical triangle down to the downside. So we did have a 61.23 correction towards the downside. And now let's zoom in and take a look at what actually happened within this pattern that made it break to the downside. So we do see nice consolidation here from the all-time highs, bouncing off support and resistance here, making our way towards the apex, towards the end of this triangle, symmetrical triangle. But we did manage to have a weak bounce here, got rejected from this key fib level here at the 0.236 area, managed to break down from this area, but found support here at our support box that you found as support here time and time again. We tried to retest this area of support right here, which then actually did turn into resistance. We got rejected here, only a couple wicks to the upside. We managed not to break the price back up in here and start trading towards the upside, but we did get rejected, found another support test here, retest of the support zone, but could not make it back towards this pattern shape towards the upside. And we did see a nice drop off here in the price for Shiba Inu coin. And we zoom in a little bit more, we had a huge actually drop off here. This also was correlated with Bitcoin's price as well, because we did see the same drop off here with Bitcoin. So we managed to find support here and here on our support box, but once we retested it a couple times here, only having wicks to the upside, no major closes inside this angle. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way. We did break through here to our second support, could not hold that, got rejected again here at the support, and managed to make some wicks here at this huge support box here towards the bottom. We are forming some sort of W pattern, we could say, but right now it's kind of early to tell whether this would be a reversal pattern just yet. But we have a bottom here, we have a low, and then we have another low here, and it's slightly above, around the same percentage here for this bottom. So we could make this W pattern right here and retest this area here of the neckline at 25, right? I'm not going to be saying like the 4 zeros in front of it, but at the 25 area. But we do see this W pattern that could be potentially forming here. But if we do manage to break this resistance here, or this support here at around the 13-cent range, or the 0.00013 cent range, we could see continual downside here to that 9 area here, this 9 level, which would be at the bottom of this symmetrical wedge right here that was forming a couple days ago. But we did see this crazy breakdown from this price. If we measure our move for the breakdown, it would be from the top to the bottom. So currently from right here we did hit that target and we actually found some nice support back from it, because right here in this area, we did find a nice bounce back up to retest this area of support, but we also got rejected back down again. So now we're just floating between these ranges. If we do manage to break down, we are going to be consolidating within these ranges of 13 cents to 19 cents. Okay, so now we're looking at the 3-hour chart, and we are breaking some key support here from our moving averages. We have our 21, we have our 50, and we have our 200-day moving average here. And as you can see, we've been riding above it, finding it as support right here before we made our next leg up. And then we did try to support this area right here. We did test the support, and let's zoom in a little bit closer here to see what exactly happened. So we did find this as support. We found some nice wicks to the downside, also confluent with our support box here towards the bottom side. We did find some wicks towards the upside, but remember, we got rejected from this breakout pattern here. Because remember, whenever we're confirming a breakdown, it's always from a pattern. Once we break that pattern, we always have to come back up to retest that support as resistance here. And we saw that we were testing as support, broke down from it, came back up to test it again, and was rejected, causing this swift dive down here towards the bottom of this symmetrical triangle. And we saw yet again, right? And we did manage to hit that price target perfectly. Now we're being supported here on the 3-hour chart from this support area here, which was some areas of resistance back here, right? These were previous all-time highs from this breakout pattern. And now we're finding it as support here. We're also finding support on the 50-day moving average here for the SHIBA coin. But just look at that sell volume wick right here. Just a huge, massive sell here. As we saw, all this volume right here, this is buying volume. We did not see as much selling volume here until we saw this massive wick to the upside for this selling volume. So this is an insane wick right here. So a lot of selling pressure here. That's why the price went down here around 60% at the time of this recording. We are still finding support here on this lower box, but if we start closing 3-hourly candles and 4-hourly candles below this support box, we are going to start trading within this range here. Now let's look at the 6-hourly chart. So we see the same thing here. We are finding some support here on a 21-day moving average, but we are starting to close here below this 21-day moving average. So our next target would be here at the 50-day moving average at around 13. But we do see that we do have 2 hours and 20 minutes left till we close this. So if we do manage to make the price action come back up here as support in this area around 21, here around 21 cents, which we are actually right now, we are making a slight comeback here. So if we manage to close above the price action at the time of this recording at 21, we can still start trading within this range and then come back up here to retest this area of support or of resistance here at the 33 range mark. But we do see just a massive drop off here. We did not manage to bounce off of this level for the RSI, so we could probably trade a little bit higher here and make our next leg up, but we did break through that, and now we had a swift move to the downside. We are finding some support here, maybe on the RSI here, if we do manage to touch this point to move back up towards the upside. But remember, this is a community driven coin, so it's all just dependent on not the fundamentals, but of the community and if they want to keep buying this. But remember, there's also very high transaction fees at this moment, so only time will tell what happens with Shiba Inu coin here. But we do see the price action here stabilizing for the moment, being in this range here of around 25 to 20. So we will see in the next coming hours. But if you want to stay up to date to these price actions and any other altcoin that's going crazy right now with some crazy potential, stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But that is it for this video. Peace out.